Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Join me in celebrating Christmas and in welcoming the New Year 2023. This year, we have a very simple Christmas celebration at home. We attend the Christmas Eve Mass in Jesuiten Kirche in Mannheim. Then we go home to enjoy our simple dinner and exchange our gifts. Then we will welcome the New Year with our friends in the Kulturm Event Location in the city of Ludwigshafen. We enjoy the cocktails and dinner, dancing, and watch the fireworks. To do that, we climb 130 steps to the 360 degrees viewing deck of this tower for the New Year countdown and a toast to celebrate the start of 2023. It's the 24th of December, the last day in the Advent calendar, which means that all windows are now open. Oh, what's that? Angel with... Oh, the backside. Oh, nice. The number 24, day 24 today. That must be the best. Oh, wow. What do you have? Oh, wow. 3 chocolates. And then what does it say? There is some saying.
You are my favorite person.
Wow, that's so cute. So that's the same. So where is the last day? Oh, that's the last day. Day 24. Oh. Now we are preparing our dessert for tonight's dinner. It's called Schneegestöber or snow flurry. After setting aside the frozen raspberries, we will prepare the yogurt cream. So we started with yogurt, then mix with cream stiffener, the vanilla sugar, and also the vanilla flavor. Then we mix it. If you wish to have the full recipe, you can check the description box. There you will find the link to the recipe. And then we put this cream in the fridge until this evening before serving. And now we set our dinner table. This time we opt for a casual setting using these placemats which I got from the Philippines. And here is Eric's idea for the table napkin and also the table decoration.
Then you have it here. Put it on the
So it's Eric's
top.
idea just to have a bling.
Okay.
Yeah, Eric, in a very simple table arrangement. Eric is gonna put together our table decoration with this water, flower, and floating candle.
Okay, so first put 2 or more if you want. Exactly if you can fit.
Should it be
Inside the jar?
should it be a plastic flower, Eric, or it can
It
also
can be
work
real
with
or
fresh?
plastic.
Okay, so you put it
Put it
down.
like this. If you have these
But what is that?
this is underwater lights.
Mhm.
If you twist it,
Okay.
it has a light. and it's waterproof.
Oh.
So like that, when it's at night.
So what's the
it can glow.
purpose?
So when it's at night, it can glow. So it makes it. So it makes it like.
Okay, perfect.
And then the last touch is the floating candle. Just put it here.
Nice.
Then if you have a lighter, we don't do it now. We wait until like 6.
Okay. So how do you
we
find our
light it up.
decoration? Is it good?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Good idea. And now we are all set for tonight's dinner. We are going to get ready to attend the service mass in Mannheim, Jesuiten Kirche. Back home, and it's dinner time. We have our traditional Christmas Eve dinner menu, which is potato salad made by my mother-in-law and fried salmon fillets. Caroling na? Cara. Yeah. Well, time like this, I can't help but think about my family celebrating Christmas back home. The family is bigger, it's louder, the house is more crowded. Sitting around the table, enjoying the foods, and of course, the karaoke sessions. After our exchange of gifts, it's time for dessert. We are now preparing the whipped cream to be mixed with our yogurt cream we prepared earlier, and then we're gonna put it on top of the frozen raspberries. We crushed few pieces of meringue or baiser as we call it in Germany and put them on top. Add some berries and dust with chocolate powder or cocoa powder. I am so happy with this parol or Christmas lantern which I brought here in Germany from the Philippines. It reminds me, of course, of home. Guys, we are welcoming the new year in this Kulturm here in the city of Ludwigshafen. This is actually a former bunker or water tower. This is now an event location with different areas, and it could accommodate up to 200 guests. You can find their website link in the description box. We have cocktails and dinner. The foods are mainly German dishes. And here comes my Hab-Hab group, my Hab-Hab friends. It's time for picture taking.
Happy New Year from the Hab-Hab Group!
Yay!
It's party time! 1, 2, 3, tuyok, tuyok, tuyok! Woohoo! Tuyok, 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 tuyok! Wapin! Tuyok, tuyok! It's up! Party, party, party! Yay! Party! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
And this is the view of the tower from outside.
Sky is the limit!
By the way, guys, my Hab-Hab group has its own YouTube channel and Facebook page. So please check the description box to find the links. And it's 11:45. We are all climbing the 130 steps to the viewing deck, where we have a 360 degrees view of Ludwigshafen. Silot manisan! Oh my God! Happy New Year! Oo, with roses, with balloons. Nona! Rosemary! Eric! Leah! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Come here with Mama! And the countdown begins.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all anxiety for all anxiety, my dear, for all anxiety, will take a cup of kindness yet.
Oh my God! Happy New Year!
For all anxiety, my dear, for all anxiety, we'll take a cup of kindness yet. For all anxiety, for all anxiety, my dear, for all.
Wishing you all a very happy, prosperous, and a peaceful New Year 2023.
Anxiety, for all anxiety, my dear, for all anxiety.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. I am looking forward to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and click on the notifications bell to be notified each time I have a new video up on my channel.
We'll take
Happy New Year until then!